Hey everybody, welcome back to the Jewelry Spot. This is my what I'm gonna add for January's Jewelry Making Fun collaboration for 2022. And I'm blessed to be able to be back with the wonderful makers. And this is Deb Huck's challenge for us. And thank you, Dahlia Designs, for allowing me to be here again to show what I've made. So for January, I believe the theme is like hearts and using purple or pink and red. So the first thing, like on the challenge, is use purple, pink, or red. Then the second part says make a necklace. And then the third part says use a heart theme. So I think I've kind of done all three in different ways. The first thing I'd like to show is this necklace that I made with a filigree heart. And I used copper wire here in the heart, kind of wire wrapped it. And then I have the silver jump ring. And that's how I made the pendant, kind of hang from the leather. So I have leather cord, it's 2 millimeters. And I used a toggle clasp to secure everything. When I think back to my very first leather necklaces that I made, I can see progress. I've been trying to make these, I think, for, I don't know, 2.5 years or so. And so I'm getting better at it. Got to keep practicing. This is about 8 inches long. I just measured it. It's not quite a choker. It's a kind of a short necklace, I guess you could say. So this is necklace number 1. And I actually made another necklace. This is stainless steel. The chain is, there's a heart right here. Pretty little heart, and it's very dainty and small. There are 2 jump rings on either side of the heart, and it's all kept together with a head pin. And it has a, let's see, lobster claw clasp. So I've been practicing with my necklaces. Okay, now I've got a few earrings here. These are filigree earrings to match the heart there. So I used, I think these are rose gold plated ear wires, and then copper, so it all kind of looks, you know, like the same metal. It matches. So pretty little pair of silver earrings there to match the leather necklace. And then I can't go anywhere without my hoops or making hoops or showing hoops. So if you are getting to know me, you know I love hoops. So these are red seed beads on a silver plated hoop. And I did some ordering recently. I got these pretty beads from Beaded. These are check glass beads. These pretty red flowers. And these are stainless steel, so you gotta be careful with those. These are kinda, you know, a little more pricey. So I made those flowers. And I have one more. Okay, this is the purple. So I did create purple, pink, and red flowers. Hoops. So these are my purple hoops. They're similar, pretty much the same as my red ones there. I just used the purple seed beads. I have said before that I was going to have a video just with seed beads to show my seed bead collection, and I still have yet to do that. That would be a good video to do, right? Oh, those seed beads. Okay, and these are shell beads. These are shells. They've been painted pink, and they have silver plated ear wires. And so I believe I met all of the challenges. I have the heart theme. I have red, pink, and purple. And I have necklaces. So that was really fun to look at everything that I've already created and was able to put together for the video. and it just seems like everything I make, it just grows and grows. I have so many things that I've created. Still love making jewelry. And so thank you so much for watching, and please watch the other creators, the other wonderful creators. I'll put everybody's works and links and everything in the description below, and hopefully I'll be back later on this week, but if not, definitely this weekend with another video, getting going again. And thank you to all my jewels, all my subscribers. Look forward to seeing you again. Thanks for being here. Bye-bye.